Momo. Hi friends, I have some farm animals on my train today. Let's meet them. Which animal do you think is inside this? Yes, it's a cat. Cat. And the cat says, meow, meow. Which animal do you think is inside this? Dog? Yes, a dog. 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 Dog says, woof, 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 woof. Which animal do you think is inside this? Yes, it's a cow. Cow. And the cow says, moo. Which animal do you think is inside this? Yes, it's a horse. Horse. And the horse says, neigh. Which animal do you think is inside this? A sheep? Yes, it's a sheep. 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 And the sheep says, ba. What is inside this? A chicken? Yes, a chicken. Chicken. And the chicken says, cluck. Which animal do you think is inside this? A pig? Yes, it's a pig. Pig. And the pig says, oink oink. Which animal do you think is inside this? A duck? Yes. Duck. And the duck says, quack. What do you think is inside this? A goat? Yes, a goat. Goat. And the goat says, ma. Okay friends, so these are all the farm animals on my train today. See you next time. Bye-bye.